Good afternoon. Please send your name here sa group chat sa Zoom. Thank you. All right, to those who were not able to send their names, please send it now while we're waiting for the others. Twenty-two lang ka mo, Dorban. Yang iban.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. All right, please open your camera so I'll see if you're here or not, if you're listening or not. Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to discuss lesson 6 only. And this is about how to write research problem, especially quantitative research problem. Now, I assume that you already have your working title, right, for your research. Now, where's group 1? Anyone from the group 1? Who is coming from group 1 here? Anyone? Ah, wala? Wala group 1?
Sir, group 1, sir.
Di anon?
Yes, sir.
Group 1 ka di anon? Do you have any idea if what
Yes.
is your working title?
Gobra kami, sir.
Oh, and you have a
Kami man,
working
sir.
title already. Mayara ka mo working title na, di ba?
May ara, sir.
Oh, ano?
About sa ano, sir? For internet connection. Sa students.
So ano gani ang anong complete nga working title nyo?
Actually,
Balikan
sir,
ta
wala
ka
pa.
pangitaon mo anay.
Gaplano pa lang naman,
Ha?
sir. Gaplano pa
Actually,
kami sa title, sir.
Ga-contribute pa lang kami
Yung
isa.
sari,
Ano
one
pa
ka
lang,
man.
oh, sir, ginaplano pa lang naman, sir, ang ano, sir, ang title, sir. Ga-contribute pa kami, sir, kung
Okay.
ano, ginawa ang title.
May ginsend na sa akon si ma'am nyo sa Bido. Working title nyo. For group 1, your working title is lang. Si ma'am sa Bido inyong ano, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Si ma'am sa Bido, no? Alright. Pero anong plano nyo? May working title na ka mo? Group 1? Like may na-finalize na ka mo?
Wala pa, sir.
Wala din, sir, wala pa. Pero may na kami gina-contribute, sir, ano pa naman, gina-finalize, sir.
We are
Okay.
working on it, sir.
Dapat as soon as today, dapat meron na ka muna eh. May working title na ka mo because you're going to work on that already for you to start your chapter 1, which I am already discussing. Because for the third quarter, you will have your performance task, which is going to be your chapter 1 and chapter 2. So if you don't have it still, you will have a hard time later on making it because you will have a limited time. Okay. So since you still do not have group 1, let's proceed to group 2. Pero group 1, isip ka mo danay, subong, if anong possible ninyo ang mahatag na working title for me, okay, to be used for our discussion today. Group 2, where's group 2?
Sir, ako sir, sorry sir kay na late ko wala sir pasa sa akon nga ano sir kay ang laptop ko sir nag-shoot ti ang di amon mga ang work sir. So kagapon nagid siya sir sa kagapon nagid ko nakapasa sir sa mga possible research namon sir pero may na kami sa mouse sir na formulate sir. So bali pilian na lang ginamon sir kung hindi nang i-finalize din namon subong sir. Pero as much as sir dumiara kami sir ang learning technique sir sa mga students sa wag-o nga ano sir in wait lang good sir. Learning techniques of maritime students in new learning process sir. To somehow amon nga possible gid nga pilion sir. Kung paano pala sir mga students ang ilang learning techniques kung paano nila mga ano ilang mag-study sila bala sir. Do amon somehow sir do amon ang akon nga gusto maan sa amon group sir.
Okay, so wala
pa sir finalize na namon sir as a group sir. Bali ma-vote na lang kami karon sir. Kagapod ko lang gid sir gin na ano sir. Na ano kaya ang laptop ko abi sir nag-issue sir mo. Wala siya ano sir. So gin kayo ko lang gin kayo sir.
Pero diba Dorban, may activity ka mo in your III that you need to identify your title
sir, may
diba?
sir.
Meron
Nakapass
activity
na ko sir.
na.
Nakapass ko na sir. So bali pilian na lang namon sir para ma-finalize namon sir.
May ano na si ma'am nyo, may feedback na of what is the correct title or
wala pa sir.
Wala
pa sir. Sa actually ako sir ako sa sir ako sa kay nagka-problema sa laptop ko sir so na-late ko pasa.
Hello sir, group 3 sir.
Sir.
Okay, group 3.
Same man sir, wala pa man sir na finalizer ni Ma'am Sabido sir ang amon nga possible nga title sir pero may ara na kami sir nga pilian pa lang sir. Nagpilian pa lang galit sir.
Kaya na. Okay.
Sir, pero
As soon
nawala pang feedback sir.
you will have as soon as you will have the final working title already, working title is called working title because it's still subjected to changes, okay? So if you have a working title already, please make sure to upload it sa aton nga sa FB group. Alright? So comment it dito sa aton bala nga class sa post dito bala nga each group, di ba? In the FB group has a post of their own nga dito ka mo comment and everything else. Please comment it down there kay para mabalaan ko if that working title really is correct and proper for the research. Okay? So I assume group 4. Sinong group 4? Mayon na kay at least may nabalaan ako. Si Arnabas ang nagsabat for group 3, si Danila for group 2, si De La Vida ang sa may group 1. Group 4.
Ako, sir.
Yes. Yes, do you have a working title already?
Yes, sir.
Lasanas?
3 possible titles pa lang, sir.
Do you have a final working title na? Wala pa?
May dyan kami sa nga napilian sa nga group namon.
What is it?
Ano sa nga group, sir?
What is it? What is your title?
Wait lang, sir. The impact of online learning to maritime senior high school students of JBL FEMUA, sir.
The impact of
online learning to
Maritime.
maritime senior high school students of JBL FEMUA.
Online learning to maritime students. Okay. Of JBLFMUA. Now, as I have been discussing and having a class with my other sections as well, I've observed nga do kadamo gid sang researches about online learning and the difficulties that they encounter and whatsoever. Since this is just a working title and we are trying to collate do ginatipo namon tanan nga mga possible nga research title coming from each group of each section. There is a possibility nga basi ipa-change ang inyong research title, okay, or ang inyong research in general, so that hindi ka mo mag-duplicate along with other sections, okay, other groups of other sections, okay?
Okay, sir.
Kaya nga rin ang Lasanas is this one is the online learning man siya gyapon. All right,
Common.
thank you so much.
Okay,
Common, yes. Who's the next one? Thank you, Lasanas. Who's group 5?
Sir.
Who's talking? Lauron?
Ina-finalize pa man namon, sir, kay may napili na may nga topic na bali mapili palabas yung 3 or 4 na sir nga possible title. So pilihan na namon karon, sir.
Okay. So hindi na ako mangayo gid sa kay as what I've said, 'di ba? Always ko sa inyo gina-emphasize nga ang PR2 would be intended for you to learn something about research, and the application of your learning for research will be in the subject III. So amo nang aton class nga format, okay? We discuss in PR2, you apply in III. Okay? Because in III, you have a lot of worksheets for you to work on. Di ba? Dito kamo sa III, may mga ginapang-ubra kamo dito, ng mga worksheets and everything else. And at the end of the day, at the end of this first quarter, you are going to pass chapter 1 and chapter 2. Right? Because that's going to be your performance task. Chapter 3 and the rest of 4 and 5 nga chapters, they are going to be passed on at the end of second semester. And if your paper will be approved, then you're good to graduate already. Okay? Pero if hindi, may mga mahawidan. Alright, so we are going to proceed now with our discussion. Before, I have sent to you already the videos for lesson 1. Lesson 1 is a video. All right, it's a one video. I uploaded on YouTube and I shared it with you. That's for lesson 1. Lesson 2, 3, 4, and 5 was the were the contents of the second video that I have sent to you. Right? I hope you're going to watch it because I discuss it there kung paano ka mo if what are some types of researches. And the fifth one, the fifth lesson, the lesson 5 was about variables. So I discussed there what is independent variable. So I hope that you are watching the video na ginapasa sa inyo so that you will not have any problems that you will encounter later on sa pag-ubran nyo sa research nyo. Kikabalo ka mo kung ano ang himuon ninyo sa amuni, anong himuon ninyo sa amuna. Especially with lesson 5. Ang lesson 1 to 4, na gin-share ko sa inyo via video, ano lang na siya class, the introduction of research, quantitative research, and ang iyang mga types, different researches, mga concepts and whatsoever. However, the lesson 5 there talks about the different variables, especially the independent variables, which are going to be essential, which will be in the research that you're going to make. So ara gina independent variable, hindi gina madula. So in order for you to know about it, watch the video. Okay? What else should I announce first before we proceed? Wala naman. Okay? Later on, madumduman ko naman na ang mga ipanghamba ko sa inyo. Today, we are going to discuss via MRoom. Sa MRoom lang i-open ko. Just wait for a while. Let's see. All right, so we talked about the nature of inquiry and research, lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So all of these were covered already. Now we're going to proceed with the unit 2, identifying the inquiry and stating the problem. Okay? It's very important. The most crucial part in research is trying to find a problem for you to study on. Okay? That's the most difficult part of doing a research because sometimes you are caught off guard. Kisama mabudlayan ka kay wala ka i-research. Okay? Wala ka sang pamangkot sa cellphone whatsoever if what is going to be your the subject of your study. Okay? So if wala ka, it's very important to start from the basic. Okay? Read some books, read some important, observe your surroundings for you to have a problem. Diba? In research, you don't have a problem pero you are required to have a problem para ikaw para mag studyhan mo. Dinila, what are you doing? We can't hear you.
Sir, akong managlobat akong cellphone, sir, managpatay siya, sir. Masaylo lang ko sa laptop ko, sir.
Alright. Good. Okay. I'm distracted sa ingod. Tagid ka. Sa video. Alright. So we're going to continue na. I have a question to who can answer. Okay. Let's ask San Juan. San Juan, do you have any problems?
Ako, sir?
Oo.
Problem. Sa kabuhi, sir?
Oo. In general.
Okay, sir. Mayara, sir?
May problem. May problem. Di ba? All of us have problems that we deal on. All right. If, for example, I have a topic which is education. Okay. Do you have any problems or do you have something about education that you'd like to study on? Like ano nga parties ng education? I-specify lang. Yes, San Juan?
Sir, kung paano
Yes, I'm asking you.
makasurvive sa online class, sir?
Okay. Okay. So, very good. So, meron nakita kong baga the main topic, okay, or the general topic, which is what we call education. So, sa may pinakababaw na being education. All right. Then, below that, kaya hambal mo online classes, meron, dabi for example, what, pamakoton mo naman self mo, what is it in education that I want to study on or I want to know? Or what is it in education that I am encountering some problems with? Okay? Kaya problema, maging ko da. Amo na, be, mo pa ako sa self mo. So, after education, you narrow it down. Okay? Magkita narrow it down, do ginabaki-baki mo bala? Or do gina-trim down mo, for example. So, ginarrow mo siya, we have online learning. Now, what about online learning? Online learning is very broad as a topic. So hindi ka man ka-study ng online learning lang gid. So you have to identify a certain thing about online learning if what do you want to know about online learning. Okay? So, out of online learning, San Juan, anong imo nga problem about online learning? What do you want to know about online learning? Or online classes in general?
Kaya ang problema ko, sir, kisadan, sir, mahina ang mga connection, sir, sang data. Data lang ko, sir, eh.
Okay.
Gamit ko.
Good. Okay?
Cellphone lang.
So what do you want to know? What do you want to know? If you're going to be given a chance to study that, what do you want to know about that problem of yours? Abe, hindi lang ikaw gusto mo mabuligan man ang iban nga tawo, kaya mo man ang research dapat makakuha man ta opinion sang iban. Like, mga, for example, ako na lang matag. Yes, yes.
Kung paano mapadasig ang signal ko, sir.
Okay, so, mas nadiyan nagali kung paano mapadasig ang signal, for example. Alright, pwede man. For example, ma-develop kabi, for example, studian mo effectiveness of network. Okay, effectiveness of internet providers. Doon mo na, the effectiveness of internet providers in helping students to cope with online class. Okay, so that could already be a study. Okay, so ano ka na lang, mangita ka sang effectivity, i-test mo ang taga, i-test mo ang taga network, smart, PLDT, for example, Globe, Converge, ang mga internet provider, ipang test mo na if they are really effective in providing internet with the students. Alright? So, as you can see, class, out of the general topic na education, you can narrow it down to online learning. Okay? What is it in education that I would like to study on or interest me the most? It's online learning. So, online learning alone cannot be studied. Okay? So, pwede na siya nga, what about online learning? Ano pa ginang gusto mo mabalaan sa online learning? So, amo tambal niya. Gusto niya mabalaan ang most effective ng mga internet provider nga ginabuligan ng mga kabataan. Alright? So, that, out of it, pwede ka na makakandak sa research mo. Alright? So, thank you so much, San Juan. So, amo na, class, mag-identify kita. I'm not saying that that's the only way for us to identify the problems that we'd like to research on, pero that could be used already. Ina ba lang gina-trim down mo kung ano ginang gusto mo matabo, right? Now, all of us have problems, and all of us as humans, we tend to have this nature that we want to get answers if we have some questions in our minds, right? For example, matsyag mo ginistoryahan ka, gaisip kang matsyag mo ginaliba ka sa mga barkada mo, for example. So in order for you to have some answers, with that question, sometimes you investigate, you observe, diba? You observe their attitude, you observe the way they treat you and everything else. And out of it, okay, the process of investigating and observation could already be a research. And out of that research, of investigation, of observation, makakame up ka na with a conclusion and a result. Okay? And amo na class. And it's human nature for us to ask some questions regarding our environment and our atmosphere. Right? And let's see. Let's know, what is a research problem? A research problem is something that nurtures in your mind a difficulty or uncertainty enough to push you to do an empirical investigation whereby you search for answers to a problem by collecting and analyzing data or information through which you can find the right answer or solution. Now, a problem in itself, for example, once a problem nga gin subject mo sa class or ginhimuan mo sa empirical investigation. For example, na class mo gamba kita empirical, it goes with the process of it enters a process of collecting data. Okay? For example, paano ka mag-collect ng data? Mahatag ka questionnaire. Then out of the questionnaire, may mga answers na dira. Ang mga answers na itali mo and everything else, that could be already your data. Kumbaga, pruweba mo to prove your study. Okay? So, amo na class, magamba kitang research problem. Okay? These are some difficulty and uncertainty in your mind that you'd like to answer or to give solution, requiring you to adopt an empirical attitude toward your problem in a way that you depend on your sensory experience, conduct experimentation, or perform scientific method in arriving at the truth about something makes your problem researchable problem. Your problem or your research problem will be researchable if you can conduct experiment or you can perform some scientific method. Being researchable, your research problem becomes a quantitative research. So how does a certain study or a certain research problem become quantitative and not qualitative and not a qualitative problem? Because kung researchable sa class, it is more inclined to explaining or describing people's views. Okay? No. What I mean with this, qualitative research is this one. It's researchable because it is more inclined. Okay? I explained it in the video already. Ginatagaan talaga mo some hint or some review. So kabay, pag nilang taon yun to ang video. Pero magamba kita qualitative, a problem can be described or can be explained by people's views, values, attitude, opinions, and other subjective traits. Subjective, based on feelings. However, ang quantitative research problem naman niya class, which is what you are going to do in this subject, is not only characterized by precision, specificity, or stability, but it is also geared toward a possible result. Ang qualitative research problem naman niya class is described as expansive, widespread, and developing. And it is focused more on processes rather than outcomes. Alright? Pero magamba kita quantitative ya class, precise, exact. Okay? Amo na ang quantitative. It means if whatever the result is, that is the result already. Okay? Unlike in qualitative, if there is a result already, okay, pwede expanding pa na siya class. Pwede pa na siya magbago-bago as time goes by because it's just based on the subjective feeling, okay, or a subjective perspective of the researcher. Okay? So feeling niya lang na since feeling niya lang ang nakapuhunan dara sa qualitative research, then it has a tendency nga mabago pa siya. Okay. Next, sources of quantitative research problem. We can encounter some problems with identifying our research problem nga anho naton nga i-study naton. This list nga ihatag ko sa inyo subong are some of the resources or inspiration that you can actually have for you to get your research problem, or for you to create or formulate your own research problem. Number one, agencies of the government or any non-government institution. Example, you'd like to research on how many teachers are not conducting or are not conducting online classes for this semester. For example, at John B. Lacson Foundation Maritime University, Arevalo. Okay. And because of it, that could actually talk about the agency of the government, because our school is under DepEd. Okay. So DepEd is a government agency. Number two, your own experience or genuine interest in something. Class, you have to remember that the main determinant or the main factor for you to have a successful research is when you are interested in your topic. Okay? Because along the way, if you're not interested in your topic, basi bala class sa pag-ubra mo sang research mo, in the middle of it, basi mauntat ka because you're not interested at all, since naka-encounter ka some difficulty. Okay? So hindi ka interesado, hindi ka na lang magpadayon. However, if you're really interested in knowing something and to prove something, for example, via research, ituloy-tuloy mo ginaya class whatever happens. Diba? If may gusto ka nga kwaon, whatever happens, you will really do everything that it takes for you to get it. So amo na class ang research. You really have to have an interest in your topic. Now, amo na class ang IBAN, dapat ang IBAN sa inyo, it can't be applicable to all situations, right? Like on this example, sa inyong context subong, hindi naton pwede na mahambal nga tanan kamo sa isa ka grupo interesado sa topic na, di ba? Basi isa lang nakatawong nag-decide or duwa because they are the only ones nga interesado sa subject na, pero ang iba ng groupmates hindi. All right? However, dapat you will learn along the way kung paano mag-cooperate, i-internalize nyo, isipon nyo kung anong mga makuha sa inyong mga groupmates or makuha mo in general out of your research topic, okay, or research problem. So hindi ka man interesado class sa inyo gid nga research, kag na-decidean sang majority nga amo ginaiya ang topic or research problem ninyo nga obrahon, just cooperate, okay? Later on, kung mag-masters ka man after you graduate, okay, and you decide to have a master's degree sa Masteralya, you are required to have your own research problem nga ikaw lang maubra. Okay? Next, present political, social, or economic issues in society. So pwede ka kakuha class ang mga quantitative sang problem or research problem mo out of gakatabo sa imong palibot, mga politically gid nga mga events, politically related events. Example lang mga you want to study the effects, or for example, the percentage of teenagers who are involved, who are victims of war on drugs campaign of the government. Okay? If you want to study that research, pwede gid. Okay? And your inspiration of that is what is happening in the society. Okay? So that's political and social. Next, review of related literature. Wala ko pa rin discuss previous research findings. Class, in research, you're not really required to discover new things gid nga ikaw gid halin nga ikaw gid nag-umpisa and whatsoever, because dumdamo na researches in the world, okay? And all we need to do is to add a body of knowledge, is to add a knowledge on that body of knowledge already, para hindi lang magpariho. For example, may mga researches nga gaka-come up because of based from other researches. Amo nang ginamin ko. So for example, may research nga effects or the number of children who are coming from broken families. So if that is the first research, ikaw kay interesado ka mabalaan ang part naman sang parents, okay? So out of that una nga research, gusto mo mag-study naman about the number of couples who are engaged in annulment or in divorce, okay? So related man gyapon sa una nga research. It's just that nangita ka lang sang lain nga i-discuss to be your research. So amo na class ang mga researches. Relate man na sila, okay? Duga ano man na sila. Though hindi man maghambal nga pare-pareho, pero may mga masundan kay nga research nga iban kung gusto mag-ubra